Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how we can change TV standby time. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down and go simply for device preferences. Right now we have to go below for power, and here we can change the TV standby time. We can turn it off or go for the 1, 2, 4 or 24 hours of inactivity. So we can set up whatever you want. I'm personally going to turn it off. I don't need that option. After that you can just go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.